So here we are, taking a walk in St. Petersburg, Nevsky Prospect, on a Russian Unity Day here in Russia. Of course, it's Russian Unity Day here in Russia. That was cool. In this video, we're going to check it out how the ordinary life is going on here in St. Petersburg. Today is a Unity Day, and nothing more too wild, but let's see just the ordinary life here. We can start from this legendary dude with a car, with a dog. He's going probably to the place where he usually stays. He's staying in the over there, right by the Singer house. That's the Nevsky Prospect metro station. All right, going across. This Gostinnyi Dvor behind me is a place actually where some protests were from time to time, and there was police presence, but just to make sure nothing crazy happens. He's got an ashtray and everything. That's flag of St. Petersburg. That's the flag I want to get from somewhere. He plays guitar and makes money with his dog. So today is a Unity Day, so we see plenty of Russian flags. Plenty of Russian flags all around. Officially, it celebrates the liberation of Moscow in, was it 1612? Liberation of Moscow from Polish invaders. And Poland is a country that's been always a threat to Russia, possibly, even during the Russian Empire. There was the rebellion, etc. But history is interesting. This is an amazing view, guys. This is the place where you can see it's always some artists selling their work, or not even their work, friends' work. That's what we found out last time we were there. Busy Nevsky on Friday noon, a bit later. I don't know what time is it. It's evening already. This is always pretty awesome looking when the people are just crossing the Nevsky. It's amazing. They're like ants. There's so many people here on Nevsky. But I had heard that this event was like, they recommended that people, hey, enjoy the day with your families, go to a park. It's not raining, so yes, it's possible. Go to a park, enjoy the day, but I don't think there's any mega events planned. Like, for example, usually on the big holidays or big celebrations, there is an event and a concert at the Palace Square. And there behind me, that's the Singer House of Singer. Really awesome. And that's still the not the headquarters, but an office of the Russian Facebook VK. I think it's upstairs over there, I'm not sure. And here goes, beneath this part is the Griboyedova Canal, which continues over there on the right. super packed, as you can imagine. We're gonna go to the Kazan Cathedral over here. And because it's Friday evening, so there's bands preparing to play music over there. There's a drummer over there. They're gonna be everywhere. Alright guys, this is Kazan Cathedral. A lot of tourists here. This is one of the main tourist attractions. The other one you see behind these band members, you can see Church on Spilled Blood over there, Nevsky Prospect Metro Station. And according to some news, there's like there is 5.5 million visitors, tourists already here at St. Petersburg. And here is Kutuzov, Field Marshal Kutuzov. For tourists. So here we are, национальный курс, суверенитет, священная война, Holy War. Oh wow, what is it? Let's see later. Maybe some propaganda, illegal propaganda, or pensioners propaganda, the worst kind. So that's, you can see Kazan Cathedral is actually packed. It's packed. You cannot get in. And here's like a homemade, maybe monk, I don't know. It says I need well, money basically, I guess. It's super cold and he's dressed pretty warmly. Cold. Not enough, I mean. This is the place where all sorts of tourists are everywhere, like all sorts of entrepreneurs. And a lot of people sell their stuff as their own, which are actually just produced in masses. But Unity Day, it's still very not known among Russians. In 2007, only 70% recognized the holiday. And behind me is a huge line into Kazan Cathedral, because this celebration holiday has some has a connection to Kazan, Mother of God icon. Right, let's get into this place and maybe we can record we're gonna keep on walking along the Nevsky Street and checking out the life here in St. Petersburg. Man, it's cold. You see all sorts of people here.